banana peel. We need container. We put some water, just enough to soak the banana peel. Let's soak the banana peel. Make sure we put the lid on tight enough and let it sit for 2 to 3 days. Now, after 3 days, our banana peel, fertilizer are done. Let's open the container. Here you go. We need a water. We're going to remove the banana peel in the container. Then let's pour it in another container. And let's mix the water, the equal amount of our banana peel water. And here's our banana peel fertilizer is ready. Here's my plant, everyone. I've been watering my plants every 3 days of this amazing banana peel fertilizer. Take note, we only water our plant of this banana fertilizer every 3 days. So look, everyone, how healthy my plants is. And there's a baby fruit in there. There's a flower blooming. Just continue doing it. Now let's pour our banana peel fertilizer.